Now, the latest wave of COVID has sent cases skyrocketing across this country, and researchers are racing to create a super jab. Scientists at the University of Sydney hope to identify a single shot to cover all future variants. It's part of an international effort to develop a vaccine that's a step ahead of the virus. The team has been examining around 20 different options, with one of the potential treatments starting human trials in Australia from early next year. Megan Stain is a virologist and part of the research team at the University of Sydney. Good morning to you. How would this vaccine protect against all variants?
Hi, Natalie. Well, what we're looking at doing is combining some key features of existing variants that we've seen, as well as looking at viruses that circulate in nature, and working a way is to combine those into a single component, which will go into a vaccine, and will then be able to train your immune system to recognise and fight all of these different variants that we've seen, and therefore hopefully protect us against any future variants that emerge.
So, would you just have one, or would you have one of these super jabs every year?
Well, part of the brief that we've been given is we're trying to design a vaccine that induces long-lasting, durable immunity, and the vaccine platform that we're using will hopefully do that. I think it's probably a bit too optimistic to say it'll only be one shot that will protect you for the rest of your life, but ideally what we're looking at is hopefully something that you only need every 2 or 3 years.
Megan, we are 3 years into this nearly. It has stumped the world so far, hasn't it? How hard is it to do what you're doing?
It's really hard, you know. The vaccines that we have so far are amazing. They were developed in a really short period of time, and they've taught us a lot about, you know, how to design vaccines against coronavirus. But we're still building on those foundations to, again, trying to make a better vaccine going forward, which longer lasting, better immunity against these variants.
Yeah, well, congratulations. Human trials are expected to begin early next year, so we'll keep in touch. Thank you very much for your time.